Let me show you how you can easily connect your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max into your car. Okay, so first of all, on your car, you have to make sure that you turn on Bluetooth. Sometimes when you don't have that big touch screen, you have to take a look on your steering wheel and find the Bluetooth pairing button. And when you do that, you have to go to the settings on your iPhone and you have to simply go to the Bluetooth. Also make sure that you have turned it on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. And next you have to go to the general settings, scroll into the CarPlay. I was actually previously connected, so I'm gonna get rid of it. And over here you should find available cars. Just click on your car name and now just accept every pairing request that will pop up on your car screen and also on your iPhone. That's like super simple. In my opinion, it's much easier than connecting Android phone. You have to click connect on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max and select Apple CarPlay or Bluetooth hands-free. In my case, Apple CarPlay for sure to get full extension. And now as you can see, here we are. So that's basically how you can do that. Thanks for watching.